I wanted to share this welding cart I made. Just a cheap $150 Husky box, just to store some of my welding stuff in. Took the casters off the box, made a steel frame out of 1.5 by 1.5 angle iron, welded the casters to the bottom of it, stuck the box on there, cut a piece of plate, mount the bottles on, welded the chains to the box, 3D printed the bottle holder mount things, 3D printed these to wrap cables up on and on the back. The box is definitely junk, but for $150. I do have to rearrange it because I didn't think it through and my wire feed is on that side, and I'm getting rid of that welder. Probably throw it in the trash or give it to one of you guys. I've sold my ESOP Rebel and bought this Everlast Cyclone 200 ES, and I ordered a Everlast PowerTig 250 so I can do AC. But I needed a welding cart that hold 2 welders and not have any more junk carts like that. I think I have $200 in this cart altogether. That's with the 3D printed stuff, that's with the 1.5 by 1.5 angle, and that's with the box. But I will be doing a review on this welder, and the PowerTig 250 when it gets here, even though there's a lot of reviews out for that. And if y'all think I should give this away to one of y'all, hit the like button. Thanks.